Hello, Driving Intelligence community. On one of my videos I posted some time ago about repairing the power window motors on a Fox body Mustang, I didn't show how I got the motor out, or at least I don't think I did. But I had a question on there from one of the YouTubers out there that asked, how do you get the thing out of there? This video is going to be a quick tip to show you how I did that. Before I go further, obviously I don't have the door panel on. That's not included in this video. If you need to have that information, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll try to make a video about that in the future. But now let's get on with the show. I happen to have my interior door panel off because I'm doing some other work to the door panel itself and putting a new seal on here. So that makes it easier for me to show you what has to be done. The power window motor, you can see the bottom of it here, that slight silver color. It's behind this whole assembly, connected to the regulator. What you're going to have to do is disconnect this electrical connector here. It's going to have to be pulled through in this area right here. And there are 3 metal screws, 1, 2, 3, that need to be removed, and then that's going to allow that motor to come out through the bottom. Now, I believe some of the other Fox body Mustangs, maybe some later ones, had a stereo speaker here, and that actually gave more room, gave more accessibility, but there is plenty of room here to get that power motor out. I'll link up above in a card right now how to get that motor back in. It takes a little bit of finesse. I've already done that video some time ago, but please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.